Stop scrolling right now. If you think Cadillac is only about big American luxury boats, this car will change your mind in the next 20 seconds. The 2026 Cadillac CT5-V is fast, comfortable, premium, and surprisingly smart for daily city driving, even on crowded Asian roads. This is not just a performance sedan. This is Cadillac showing Asia and the world that American luxury can be practical, efficient, and exciting at the same time. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know if this car is worth your money or not. Welcome back to the channel. If you love honest car reviews that help you save money and make smart buying decisions, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's talk about the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V. First, price, because that's what everyone cares about. In the USA, the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V starts at around $52,000 to $55,000 depending on options. In Japan, after import taxes and registration, expect the price to land around 7.8 to 8.5 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, or Singapore, imported luxury pricing pushes it higher, roughly $75,000 to $90,000 depending on duties. Yes, it's not cheap, but for what you get, it's very competitive against German rivals. Under the hood, the CT5-V uses a twin-turbo V6 engine making around 360 horsepower. Don't worry about big numbers. What this means in real life is smooth power in the city and strong acceleration on the highway. In traffic, the car feels calm and easy. On open roads, one press of the pedal and it moves quickly without stress. This balance is very important for Asian drivers who deal with both heavy traffic and fast highways. Fuel economy is better than most people expect from a performance Cadillac. In city driving, you're looking at around 18 miles per gallon. On the highway, it can reach about 26 to 27 miles per gallon. For Asian buyers, that translates to reasonable fuel cost for a luxury performance sedan. This is not a hybrid or EV, so you don't get electric-only savings, but compared to older V8 luxury cars, this is much more fuel-friendly. If you drive smoothly, fuel cost stays manageable even in daily use. Now let's talk ownership cost, because buying the car is only step one. Maintenance cost for the CT5-V is higher than Toyota or Honda, but lower than many German luxury cars. Annual maintenance in the USA averages around $900 to $1,200. In Asian markets, expect slightly higher costs due to imported parts, but Cadillac has improved parts availability in Japan and Southeast Asia. Basic service items like brakes, filters, and tires are available without long waiting times in major cities. Insurance is another important point. In the USA, insurance cost for the CT5-V is moderate for its class, around $1,800 to $2,200 per year depending on your driving history. In Asian countries, insurance is usually higher for imported performance cars, but still reasonable compared to BMW M or Mercedes AMG models. Safety features help keep insurance costs under control. Resale value is something Asian buyers think about a lot. Cadillac resale is not as strong as Toyota or Honda, but the V models hold value better than regular Cadillacs. After 3 to 5 years, you can expect a resale value around 55 to 60% if the car is well maintained. That's decent for a luxury performance sedan and better than many people expect from an American brand. Now let's compare it briefly with competitors. If you're looking at Toyota, the closest competitor in spirit is the Lexus IS 500. The Lexus has a V8 sound and legendary reliability, but it is less modern inside and not as comfortable in daily traffic. From Honda, the closest match is the TLX Type S. The Honda is cheaper and very reliable, but it doesn't feel as premium or as smooth on the highway as the Cadillac. The CT5-V sits in the middle, offering strong performance, modern tech, and a more luxurious ride. So why is this car smart for Asian roads and traffic? First, the size is just right. It's not too big for narrow streets or parking spaces, especially compared to full-size luxury sedans. Second, the suspension is adaptive, meaning it stays comfortable over rough city roads but tightens up on highways. Third, steering is light at low speeds, making it easy in traffic, and stable at high speeds, which Asian highway drivers will appreciate. Interior quality is another big win. The seats are supportive but not too firm, perfect for long commutes. The infotainment system is easy to use, with a clear screen and simple menus. This is important for buyers who don't want to fight with complicated controls every day. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, which is a must for younger buyers in Asia. Let's talk about daily driving again, because performance cars often fail here. In city use, the CT5-V feels smooth, quiet, and refined. The engine doesn't feel aggressive unless you want it to. On the highway, it feels planted and confident, perfect for long-distance travel between cities. This dual personality is what makes it special. Is it perfect? No. If you want the lowest running cost, Toyota and Honda still win. If you want electric savings, you'll need to look at hybrid or EV options. But if you want the luxury performance sedan that feels different, stands out from the crowd, and still works well in Asian traffic, the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V is a smart and emotional choice. So here's the big question. Should you buy it? If you want something premium, sporty, comfortable, and not boring like everyone else's car, yes, this Cadillac deserves serious consideration. If this video helped you, smash the like button. Subscribe for more honest car reviews made for USA and Asian buyers. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.